In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the assignments and turn them in HMH. So if you remember, the state for sign-in is Department of Defense, and the district is Dodea Pacific, Pacific South. Your username is your student email address, and the password is simply the first part of that. So when you sign in, you'll come to your dashboard. And your dashboard will show you what assignments you have due that day. It does not show you all your assignments. You do need to click either the assignment tab up here or view all assignments. And then the assignments will be listed here. Now, for book reading assignments, you need to start here. If you actually click on here, it will take you directly to the assignment. And don't just hit continue. Read through the directions I put here. I put these here for a reason. So first is the due dates. The due dates that are in HMH will not be correct due to the way I have to assign these. You need to check Google Classroom for your specific due date for your class. Next, when you're done, you need to return back to this assignment tab on HMH and click I'm done. Otherwise, it's not going to turn it in and I can't access it. So for this particular assignment, you're going to read page 23, this section, and answer one question, just one question. You do not need to complete the evidence notebook portion. So if we hit continue, it will take us to the section that we need to read. And so you're going to read through this section. You just scroll down, read this paragraph, and then you can answer here. So there should actually be nothing there. I had practiced before. Here's my answer. You're actually going to put it in there, and you don't even have to hit save. It will automatically save it for you. You do not need to do this evidence notebook one, so I am done. If you need to reset your answer, you can just hit that button and again type in what you would like. All right. Do not click on the arrows to either side. That goes to the next section. You're actually done with this assignment. So what you do is you just click out of this, go ahead and close it, and then you're back at your HMH assignments page. And then when you're done, again, you click I'm done. This will allow me, the teacher, to access yours and grade the question that you had. So that was the first assignment. If we look here at the second assignment, the HMH 1.1 exploration, again, you're going to hit start. There are instructions here again. So due dates again vary. When you're done, return to this assignment page and click I'm done in order for it to be turned in. Read through the section and answer 8 questions. You do not need to complete the Collaborate, Evidence Notebook, or Language Arts Connection questions. So when you hit continue, you're going to be taken to exactly the portion that you need to read. Again, do not click on the arrows on the left and right, because that will take you to different portions. So you're going to start here and you're going to read through this. And as you're reading through, you'll notice there's things like this will tell you a definition for that term. There's these collaborate questions, but I said do not do that, so you don't have to worry about that one. The questions that you do need to answer are going to be either text box answers. So here's my answer again. You're actually going to answer this one. Read it and answer it. And then there's also multiple choice type questions, so you have to wait to load some of these again. So this one would be a typed question or typed answer. And some of these have sample answers. So after you do that, you can check what sample answer is available. And then there are some, okay, all of these are typed. There are some that are choose your answer. So when you choose your answer, you can check if your answer is correct. Ladies and gentlemen, go back and fix it then. I want to see that you gone back, and it should say well done here. Now I'm going to be checking that for a grade. For this particular section, you're going to go down, you're going to answer all of these questions, going down all the way to the end. And here is your last question. It's a multiple choice. Again, check your answer and change it if you need to. Do not do the language arts or the evidence notebook questions. Again, when you're done, just simply close this tab and then hit I'm done. And that will send it to your teacher to grade. For the very last assignment, this is the HMH 1.2 and 1.3 working with measurement. You're going to start this one on one of the days. for part 1. You're going to read through this, stopping before accuracy and precision. So we're going to be talking about measurement and scientific notation for the first one. It says complete 3 problems in the e-text. Complete the evidence notebook problem in the Google Doc that's assigned to you in Google Classroom. Do not hit I'm done when you're done with this. You're going to leave it there, and then the next class you are going to do part 2. So this is going to, you're going to read from accuracy and precision through the combined operations. You're going to stop before you get to dimensional analysis. There are 7 problems that you are going to complete. And then when you're done with part 2, then you come back and hit I'm done. So let's pretend we're doing this. You open this up. And for part 1, you're going to read from working with measurement. There's one question. There's another question you're going to answer. We'll come back to this in just a moment. And then this is the last question. And you're going to stop at accuracy and precision. That's part 1. So those are the 3 questions you're going to answer in the e-text. And then this evidence notebook question right here. This one you're going to answer in the Google Doc. So there's yellow boxes where you see these question marks, and you're going to put your answers in that and then turn that into Google Classroom. So when you're done with part 1, you simply close this. You are not going to click I'm done. For part 2, you can just continue. You're going to come back to this and hit continue, and it will open it up with the answers that you've previously put in here. And you're going to read from accuracy and precision and do the associated problems all the way through mathematical operations. Oops, there we go. Go down, and significant figures. So to the combined operations right here. So you're going to stop. We are not going to do dimensional analysis. This will be the last question. When you're done with that, then again, close the tab and then hit I'm done. And that will send it to your teacher after you've completed part 2.